Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert images to PDF in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our File Explorer. And once you have opened the File Explorer, you can also press Windows and letter E key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the File Explorer. Now, once you are here at the File Explorer, please proceed to the location where your images is being saved to. In my case, it is being placed in my downloads. And from here, once you are at the specific location where you can see all of the images that you have, you need to select the images that you'd like to convert into PDF. Okay, you can drag your cursor to select it. Okay, once you have selected the specific images that you'd like to convert to PDF, you can do a right click. Please do a right click and go with this option called Show More Options. Once you have do that, please locate for the option called print. I can see it here being placed at the third next to set as desktop background. Click on it. And the moment you do that, you would be able to open a window like this where you can print pictures. By here, please proceed with the printer. Click this down arrow and select on Microsoft Print to PDF. Once you have set it, please proceed with the bottom of that where you can see this option called Fit Picture to Frame. Uncheck the box, and once you have done checked it, it will look like this. Okay? And once you are done, please proceed with the option at the lower right side of that where you can see options. Click on it. Okay? And by here, you can change the settings of print. You can uncheck the sharpen for printing, and you can also uncheck this only show options that are compatible with my printer. Once you are done, please proceed with the printer properties. And from here, you can select the layout of your print, either landscape or portrait. I'd like to set it into landscape. And once you are done, you can also proceed with advanced. And by here, you can select the paper output that you'd like to set it. You can select A4, A3, A5, statement, tabloid, later, or legal. In my case, I'll be going with A4. Once you're done, click on OK. Click on OK once again. And once you have set it all, you'd be able to view the setting that you have set. Either here, the paper size is A4, the quality is 100 by 600, and the printer is what we have selected, which is the Microsoft Print to PDF. Once you have done, click on Print, and it's now getting ready to print. All you need to do is you need to select the location where you want it to be saved with. In my case, I'll be selecting desktop, and once you're done, you can type that here PDF images. Okay. Once you have typed the name, the file name that you'd like to go with, click on saved. Okay. And wait until it will be done. Once you are done, you can now close the window and check your PDF images here. You can also do a right click by here, and you can go with properties, and you can set the location where you want it to open with. So if you'd like to change that, you can click on changed. Okay. And you can also select Google Apps if you'd like to view it in the Google Apps. You can select Word, or even if you have Adobe Acrobat Reader, you can select it. Click on set default, and from here click on OK. And if you will tap that, you would be able to view it on the location or app where you want it to be viewed with. Okay, so that's it. Click the scroll arrow, and you would be able to view it from here. So if you are not viewing anything, you can simply click on the three dots here, go with the settings, click on it, and from here, please proceed with the option called privacy and security. Scroll down and proceed with site settings. And under the site settings, scroll down once again, go with additional settings. Okay. And scroll down once again and look for this option called PDF documents. and turn this on. Open PDFs in Chrome. And from that, when you close the window and when you bring up your PDF images once again, you would be able to view it here in the Google Chrome. Okay, here we go. So that's it. You can now view it, the pictures that you have successfully convert in the PDF here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So simply close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.